I think I saw one that you had that I need.
Hold on, wait a minute. Let's rewind. My daughter and I are here at Disneyland for the next 3 days, and we really want to complete a mystery pin set. So follow along as we pick our packs, experience the highs and lows of getting new pins and duplicates, and hopefully trade with other guests to complete the sets.
Cute little icon pins. Ooh, a villains pin set. Those are cute. The character fans are cute. Disney dogs. We have him. We have Dodger. And there's Lady, Pongo, Pluto, Nana, Pluto. The doggies are cute. I like the doggies. You have Piglet, Pluto, Mickey, and Maleficent.
Do you know which one I really wanted to get?
Minnie.
Yeah.
Yeah, you really wanted Minnie Mouse. Here's those pixie plushes.
Those ones are so cute.
Those ones are cute. Oh, these are the princess ones. The princess pastries. Oh, look, character popcorn pins. Those are cute. I kind of adore the popcorn pins. Dogs are icons. Dogs. Scarlett got 2 of the potted plant pins that she has been searching for. She still needs Minnie, Stitch, Pluto, and Dumbo. And I got 2 of the dog pins. These ones come with Dodger, Lady, Little Brother, Pongo. What's the hound's name? I'm a hound dog. I forget his name. Oh my gosh. There's Nana and Pluto, and then Georgette. I think the ones that I would really love to get is Georgette and Little Brother. They're probably my favorite in the set. I do already have Dodger. And then Scarlett got the princess pastries. The pastries have Tiana, Snow White, Belle, Rapunzel, Mulan, Cinderella, Ariel, and who's this one down here? Jasmine. So Scarlett pulled Mulan and Rapunzel from the Princess Pastry set. And then she got Goofy and Maleficent from the potted plants. She does already have Maleficent, so this one will be a trader that will trade away today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open my Disney doggies. I pulled Miss Lady, Dodger, but I do already have him, so he's gonna go on a trading board today. Nana, she's the cutest one that I pulled. And of course, Pluto, which I will accept because I do not have him yet, but if I find another Pluto today, I'm gonna ice cream. Let's check out some pins at Westward Ho Trading Co. Alright. Okay, those are the ones you want? This one. And this one. Do you want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
Did you go first the first time?
No, you did.
Okay.
Okay, I'll open one of my dogs, and then you can open one of either your potted plant or your pastry, okay? What are you doing over there?
Just opening the boxes.
Okay, pin 1 is... Georgette! Oh my gosh, another Dodger. Are the dogs gonna haunt me? I now have 3 Dodgers. Oh, that's okay. Which one are you opening, your potted plant or your princess? Scarlett's pin. What do we have? Dumbo! At least it's one that you don't have. I think he's cute. He's just not Minnie Mouse, huh? Okay, let's open up the next Disney dog box. Oh my gosh. Another Georgette. I did say I wanted her. I don't know if I have this one. Do I have it? I do. It's another Nana. You're up.
Open up.
Oh, you need help opening?
Yeah.
Okay. Now these are the princess pastries.
I think I got Tiana.
Tiana? You did! You know what that means? Now we have to go on her ride. I got my leg. I love it. I didn't get that wet either. Like a little bit on my knee, but that was for the entire ride. You got another Rapunzel. Aw, look how cute she is though. We could go over to the pin traders and see if they have any.
Oh yeah, let's go.
We've got...
She won the sunflower.
Yes, yes. We're still looking for Minnie Mouse. It's been months and we cannot find her. The potted plants Minnie Mouse.
I don't have it. I mean,
We're going to take all of our duplicates, our 2 Dodgers, our extra Rapunzel, Georgette, Nana, and Maleficent that Scarlett has at home, and we're going to see if we can trade any of these out for the sets that we are currently working on. Okay, we were able to make 2 different trades. We traded our duplicate for a Jasmine Princess pastry, and then I ended up trading Nana for this Cinderella. I think Minnie Mouse is in this one.
That one I was going.
You were thinking that one too? That's gonna be the winner. She's in there, I know it. Fingers crossed, hoping that one of the ones that we are missing is in this box.
Let's hope I get Minnie or Stitch. Oh, don't look.
I'm not. And the pin is Stitch! Oh, look at him!
So cute.
At least it's one that you don't have, baby. Now let's see if I can get any of the ones that I'm missing from the Disney dogs. Pongo! Yay! I did need him. I got Pongo and another Pluto. Oh, Cinderella, we just traded for her. We got Cinderella and Tiana, both of which Scarlett already has.
Can you help me?
Yes, I will help you.
There.
There's one of yours. Thank you. Ooh, Tiana, you have one of her.
Pretty. If you already have that one, you want to trade it? I'll take your.
Absolutely.
All right. So for which one do you want to trade? All right.
For Ariel, please.
Oh, of course, right? Let me get rid of that.
There you are. And then you get the pin backs.
And then there's 2.
Perfect.
Another Jasmine.
And you got another Jasmine. Cool. Well, then we can keep her for a trader. First doggy. Oh, we have Pongo.
Now you can trade that
And
one.
second
We'll see
one.
what's the other one.
Georgette. Okay. I have both of them. So I'll let you pick. Which one would you like to go in the shadow box?
Well, I'll take that little snubby cutie purple.
Georgette, yes, absolutely.
All right, for which one
Okay.
now?
Let's do Stitch. Let's do
yeah.
Stitch writing it.
He is very popular. with
Yes.
Stitch.
Well, my daughter loves Stitch right now too, so
There you go.
that works
So
out.
I would say take her.
We didn't have the best luck at Star Traders, but we were able to trade away some of our duplicates, and they had an Ariel pastry in the shadow box, so Scarlett got to use that as one of her trading pins. So now you're only missing 1, right? 2. Who are you missing?
Belle.
Belle. Oh, Belle and Snow White. That's right.
We need Minnie.
Minnie Mouse better be in this freaking box, I swear. I'll be happy if I get any of the new ones that I don't have. Oh, Pongo, I already have you. I have a feeling I already have this one too.
You do. 4
Dodger.
Pongo. I have a feeling it's going to be a double.
A duplicate, another. That's the name of the game when we're doing pins, love. Ariel. We just traded for her in a shadow box. We got another Tiana and another Ariel. And for the dogs, I got another Dodger and another Pongo.
It's not going to be a Minnie.
It's not? Did you already feel it?
No.
Can I pull it?
Yeah.
Oh, Piglet. If anyone wants to trade, we're looking specifically for Minnie Mouse from the potted plants, Snow White and Belle from the pastries, and any of the dogs that are not Dodger or Pluto or Pongo or Georgette. So we did some trading inside of 20th Century and we got Snow White. Now we are just missing Belle from the pastries, but Scarlett did get 1 more potted plant pin. We got Good Juju's from everyone. They said Minnie Mouse is in here, so let's hope. Please be Minnie Mouse. Oh, it's Pluto. That's okay. We're here probably every couple of weeks.
I will hunt down a Mickey or
Minnie, yeah.
and I will see what I can do.
Thank you so
Hunt
much.
me down and be like,
Yes.
"Here's Minnie floral."
Okay, I can do
I
that.
will see what I can do.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh, I love cast members. We stopped over at the benches in Frontierland for some trading. We traded and got the Stitch and Scrump slippers. And then we traded for the Minnie Mouse, the Minnie Mouse Blueberry Munchling the Valentino wish pin. Apparently we're collecting the wish pins now because we think we have a total of 4 or 5 of them. What else did we trade for? Oh, there's some in here in our super secret hidden pocket. This beautiful Moana pin. She's stunning. We actually traded 2 of our pins for her. And then we ended up with 2 more of the Fantasyland pins. We have Goofy riding the teacups and Mickey riding Dumbo. But of course, we did get some more pins. Do as I say, not as I do. I spent so much money on pins.
I'm feeling her right now. The nervous one.
We have 1 more box of doggies. One more box of princess pastries, and 1 more potted plant.
I want to open.
We only need Belle, and there's going to be 2 pins in here. I need Little Brother and Copper, also 2 pins, and Minnie Mouse, 1 pin, 1 hit wonder. She has to be in this box.
She's going to be the last one.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's go. You want to do pastries first? Yeah.
I'm not looking.
Oh, do you want me to open them?
Yeah.
All of them? Oh, this is fun for me. Pin number 1, we have... Oh, Jasmine. That's okay. She goes to our traders. And pin number 2.
Please, Belle.
Oh, Snow White. We just traded for her last night with a cast member. We're still on the hunt for Belle. Doggies. Lucky taps, lucky taps.
You're not looking this time because...
Oh, you're opening my doggies?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Doggy number 1.
Oh no!
No, Georgette!
No, no.
Oh, if it's Dodger, I'm gonna scream.
I'm just gonna hit it over here real quick.
No Dodger.
Please.
Please, no Dodger.
It's not a Dodger.
It's not a Dodger? Is it one that I don't have? I already have it.
No.
I don't have it? Is it Little Brother? Pull the pin.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
Copper! Oh, look how cute he is! He's even cuter because I don't have him. Aw, he's giving himself a little scratchy scratchies.
That's so cute!
Oh, Copper's adorable. Potted plant. Please be Minnie Mouse.
Hit it for me. Hit it for
Hide
me.
it from you?
Yeah.
Okay. Please, Minnie Mouse, be in here. Please, please, please. I think I need you to do it.
Why?
Cause I don't want to jinx it.
I just saw some pink. We got her.
Did we get her? Did we get her? Did we get her? Did we get her?
Don't look,
Did we get her?
don't look.
I already looked.
We got her! We got her!
You found Minnie! I'm so happy! Girlfriend! Oh my gosh, that means that you've completed the potted plants!
I need to call that too. Hold your pin. Hold your pin.
Hold your pin. Hold your pin.
Did you get it?
You show her first.
Oh, I got Copper.
Good.
He
Did
was
you get
the
Minnie?
one that I was missing.
Yay!
She,
I love it, honey.
She immediately opened the pin and goes, I need to call my auntie, and ended the video.
She opened the pin?
She opened the pin.
You didn't trade this one? You found it? Oh my
We
goodness.
completed my
that's
set!
special. I'm so happy.
Tell Uncle.
Uncle, look. She finally completed her pin set. She found the mini.
Nice job. That's awesome.
Thanks.
I like it.
I love it. Did you buy Copper or did you find him?
No, we found him.
Good. That's so great.
As soon
No, like I opened him. Like he was in a box.
Yeah.
Mom,
What?
I saw a sliver of white and pink, and I'm like, Mom, I found pink and white. Mom, look.
She made me open it.
I can't wait to see the video.
It's so fun. All right, goodbye.
Bye. I can't believe we got her. She's so pretty.
Oh, this makes me so happy. You have no idea.
If you guys need her, she will be on our board or different boards, okay? Bye.
We're at the benches in Frontierland, and I saw someone with a little brother, and I'm waiting in line to hopefully get him. I think I saw one that you had that I need. I don't know if it was true. Okay, would you trade little brother? There you are.
What do you need?
That's the only one that I need. Yep, all traders. Absolutely.
I don't think there are some that are really valuable. I don't think she's one of them. So let me see.
Thank you so much. There he is. Oh, so we got one more princess pastry box. They moved the shadow box to the cart outside of Plaza, the Christmas store. So we're gonna open these and hope that Belle is in it. All right, pin one. Okay, who is it? Oh, Cinderella.
No. Don't look.
I won't look. Who is it? Belle, that one! We got Belle! What's that?
I had to guess it wanted a bell earlier too.
Oh my goodness! We got her! Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so let's look and see what you have in your traders. If we already have Cindy, we'll trade for one that's in here. Let's look. Okay, so we have Snow and Jasmine. We'll keep both of these. Thank you so much. That is the end of our Disney day. We had such a fantastic day today. When we had pulled in, we got like a front row parking spot, and Scarlett had mentioned, she was like, because we got such good parking, I think today's gonna be a really lucky day. And today was the luckiest day of all days. Usually I always am so sad on our last Disney day of the trip, but today was my favorite day. But today was my favorite day of the entire vacation. What was your favorite part of the Disney trip?
I am so happy that we got the mini plant.
Yes, the mini pin.
And the bell and the dog.
I'd have to agree. I think completing the pin sets was one of my favorites. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like these, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll put a little button right here that'll take you right to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.